So when you come to the Outlook India website, they've ranked the best 5 installment loans with guaranteed approval and all of that extra stuff. All right, there's a lot of online loans that are supposedly guaranteed, but recommendation in the first pinned comment of this video has brought the most success to people that watch my videos. So I strongly suggest you can get something between $100 all the way up to $50,000. So try that. But even though you got a lot of these sites will rank, but it's still a lot of BS that you got to go through, a lot of hoops and everything. So what you want to do to find it, you want to search what you're exactly looking for. If you want to get to the real payday loans or loans and stuff like that, you search it, and then you go with the ones that are paying for ads, not the regular websites down here. Why? Because if they're paying for ads, that means that they are profitable. How do they make profit? They make profit by getting people approved. All right? They make profit by getting people approved. They get a commission off of that. So what you want to do is you want to click on the ones that people are actually their sponsor. It's going to say sponsor. Okay, so then you go to it, look at it. It says installment loans for anything, get up to $3,000 in funding as soon as today. All right, pretty decent looking website. You want to check out the interest rate and all of that extra stuff to make sure you're not in a slave deal. I mean, pretty much all of them are slave deals, but if you're looking for a guaranteed online loan, this is the way to go about it. Then we have this one right here. This one is called Tribal Loans, Bad Credit Online, right? So it even has bad credit in the title. So you can check it out. So what's the good benefit about it? Money straight to your bank, available for all credit types. So what they're going to do is they're going to throw you through this little spin cycle with all of their direct lenders and see which one of them have the best rates for you. And then you pretty much select them. But like I said, if you come straight down to the first pinned comment, this one, in my honest opinion, is the best. I'm just showing you your options or whatever, but this one can be used for anything: car expenses, medical expenses, utility bills, rent, all of that. Okay, so then they even tell you why you should choose them. They have an FAQ section, everything you need in order to make a decision. But my strong suggestion is that you choose for your situation. Your request should match your situation. If you only make $500 a month, then you should probably stay between these two. If you make $1,000 per month, then you can stay between these two. When your income increases, then you go up here. But if you only make $500 a month and you work at McDonald's, you probably shouldn't apply to this one. Hey, not trying to kill your hope. You know, maybe you get approved. You can try it out, do whatever you want to do. But I'm just trying to show you how to get a guaranteed online loan because that's what you search for. All right, so go ahead and go to the first pinned comment under this video and apply. So you done got yourself in a little bit of a situation and you need a payday loan. You've been getting denied already from everybody that you've been applying to, and you need it quick, fast, and a hurry. So what sites are the scammy sites that don't actually send you anywhere? And what are the ones that will actually give you a payday loan guaranteed without the chance of denial? I'm going to give you three. You can find them in the first pinned comments or in the description of this video as well. I'm trying to keep myself woke. That's why I'm talking like this. But anyway, the first recommendation I have for you is one called Money Pup Loans. Like I said, first pinned comment, you will see them. All right, so they don't really care about your credit. What they do care about is if you have income and the income is stable. So just make sure that you have some stable income, right? If you can hold out, get you a good month or two before you try to apply for a loan, then you can come back to these guys. The next one right here is called Payday SOS, Save Yourself. All right, so you can apply for this one. This one is all the way up to $50,000 from 100. So this is how it works. Let's move it over here. You know, I mean, you can get cash advance loans, personal loans, emergency loans, which is probably what you need. Now, what is the trick to this? Okay, how do you get the loan guaranteed? you want to match your situation. I always say this in pretty much every video, but I have to drill it in because a lot of y'all don't pay attention. All right. But match your situation with your request. At any time, when you're done hearing me talk, you can go to the first pinned comment and apply to all of these to increase your chances. It won't bother your credit score. All right. So match your situation. If you're making $500 a month and you have an emergency and just need something real quick, then apply for this one right here for $500. Okay. Stay in between the $500 to $1,000 range. Quit making a small amount of money with bad credit and then applying for $50,000, y'all. You're not playing the slots at the casino. Okay. But that's how you're applying for a loan. You're trying to get lucky. Don't try to get lucky. If you really have a bad situation, apply for something you know you can probably get. Okay. So if your income monthly is in between 1,000 to 3,000 to 5,000, then stay in between these right here. So that's how you do that. Then this is my top recommendation. I'm always telling you guys about this one. This one is called Get Funds Quickly. It's in the first pinned comment as well. Like I said, apply to all of those and then come back and put in the comments which one you were able to get approved for so that I can do more in-depth videos on that one specifically and maybe get one of the representatives from the company to do some type of interview or something on this channel with us and give you guys more insight on loans and stuff. So go ahead and take action. Make it happen. Yes, Lord.